Do you know the difference between this advice and this advice? And also, do you know the difference between this practice and this practice? No, right? So that's why you have clicked this video. Okay, fine. In this video, I will clarify you where to use this advice and where to use this advice, and also where to use this practice and where to use this practice. As you can see, both the words sound same, but they have difference in their spelling and also the parts of speech. So in this video, you will be very clear to the difference between this and this. Okay, so my name is Indrajit and you are watching Iconic Indro. By the way, before starting this video, if you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon, because you will be updated a lot of interesting video like this. Now move on to the analysis of those words. Okay. Advice and advice. Practice and practice. These pair of words are called homophone in English grammar. So, what is the definition of homophone? Those pair of words sounds same but having difference in their spelling and also in their parts of speech. Then those words are called homophone. Okay. These are often confused and misused in English sentence. Now look, advice. Look the spelling, ADVICE. So this advice is a noun. Thus this advice belongs to the parts of speech noun. As you can see the example, please follow your father's advice. So this advice, the spelling is ADVICE. It is used as a noun. Now move on to the next advice. Look carefully the spelling of this advice, ADVICE. So this advice is verb and thus it belongs to the parts of speech verb. Okay. As you can see the example, advise her to stop it. Advise her to stop it. So the spelling of the advice, ADVICE, it is considered as a verb in English grammar. Now you are very clear where to use the advice as a noun and what is the spelling of the advice as a noun, and also where to use the advice as a verb and what is the spelling of advice as a verb, right? Similarly, you can see that practice. Look carefully the spelling, PRACTICE. Practice. It is noun. Thus it belongs to the parts of speech noun. As you can see the example, you need a lot of practice. So the practice is used as a noun in this English sentence. So look the practice spelling, PRACTICE. This spelling is considered as a noun. Now move on to the next practice. Look carefully the spelling of this practice, PRACTICE. So this practice belongs to the parts of speech verb. It is a verb. It is used as a verb. Okay. Look the example. You must practice more to pass the exam. So this spelling, PRACTICE, this spelling of practice is used as a verb in English grammar. Okay. So when you use the spelling CE at the end of the word, it is considered as a noun, and the spelling SE used at the end of the word of the spelling is used as a verb in English grammar? Got it or not it? Please comment below. I hope all the doubts regarding this advice and this advice, also this practice and this practice will be clear, right? So now you are pretty sure where to use this advice and where to use this advice, and also where to use this practice and where to use this practice, isn't it? So please comment below, have you done any mistake before seeing this video? Okay, and if you have any doubt, feel free to send me messages in my Instagram account. The user ID is Iconic Indro. I have given the link of my Instagram account and the user ID in this description and also here. So whenever you have any doubt, please feel free to send messages there. Okay, and if this video is helpful to you, please give a like, because it motivates me to upload a lot of interesting videos, and share to your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indro, and don't forget to press the bell icon, because whenever I upload a video, this video reaches you first. Okay, and stay safe, stay happy. See you soon in my next video. Bye.